Spin, my precious, spin.
Welcome to Buttons and Boxes. Welcome to Buttons and Boxes.
Hi guys, welcome back to Buttons and Boxes. Today we're gonna do another digital pet called JewelPod. Okay, JewelPod, what is it? And why is it a digital pet? Because if you look at it, it doesn't look like a digital pet. It looks like a tablet. See? It looks like a tablet. But this tablet comes with these cute little characters, or at least that's what I believe it is. I think it's a digital pet. It's called JewelPod and it's the Diamond Edition. So I've only seen like only one YouTube video, a very short one in Japanese of a kid opening this, and it immediately intrigued me, but I couldn't quite figure out, what it really is. It looked like a virtual pet, so I thought, you know what? Let's try to find this and let's explore what this is and if this is fun or if I wasted my money. Ooh, wait. Look, you can see it, Sanrio. And this toy is also from Sega Toys, just like the other toy that we reviewed, so the Rilu Ferilu, which is still a very fun virtual pet. So let's have a look at the box. So the box says you can take pictures, you can stamp, you can send messages. I saw in the video that you could communicate with other JewelPods, so that looks interesting. You can see, I guess this means something like stats, story time, something with the world, somebody to shoot you, I guess an alarm clock. Why would we want an alarm clock? Oh well. And pictures, decorate pictures. I think that's this here. And this is what it looks like. So you can insert also a memory card. So I think it comes with internal 128 MB. And then you can put in a SD card up to 16 GB. And that's, I think, for storing your photos. It doesn't come with a battery in it. You need to put batteries in it. I don't know how many, so let's have a look. Oh, by the way, I'm opening this because I got the stamp of approval from my kids to open it, and it could be, of course, that they can barge in and suddenly retract that stamp of approval, but you never know. So it comes with a cute little booklet. Oh, by the way, this is also brand new, so I'm very happy with that. It's not secondhand. Do you hear the spinner still spinning? I do. Turn it off. Okay, then get it out of the box. And here is it. Okay, let's get it out of the plastic. Okay, so the screen actually looks pretty nice. It is like that plastic that they use for kids' toys. And this is where you can put in the batteries. And oh, look at these details. This is nice. Oh, and that's the camera. Oh, it does feel nice in your hand. Maybe it's a bit too big for kids, but I don't know. Let's figure that out. Okay, so it's open now. Let's put in the batteries. Okay. Sorry guys, I went up the stairs and down the stairs again, so I'm breathing very loudly. Okay, put it in there. And then, look how cute this is. Swish, 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 swish. Okay. Oh, 2012. I guess that was the release date. I guess it's a 26. Okay, so then I guess I press this one. Hi. Okay, yes. what time is it? Oh, confirm. What did I? Oh, it's this one. Okay. Oh, my name. Nee. My name is Nee. I guess this is my date of birth. Let's just put something in there. No. No! No! Back. Okay. Confirm. A, B. I don't know what I have to do. 0, A, B. Oh, my blood type. Why did I need to know my blood type? That's so weird. I guess it's O. Oh, look. He's blowing bubbles. That's so cute. Now what? Ooh. Oh, I had to press this button. Oh, look at it. Oh, I got a message. I can't read, of course, this message, but... yeah, sure. What does it do? What does it do? I don't know. Okay. I don't know what I have to do. Okay, can I take pictures? On my memory? Okay, now what? Oh, I got the pictures. Okay, let's see. Let's take a picture of this box. Then, do I press this one? Ah, I press this one. Then it says something. Okay, now I want to go back. What is this? Stamps. Oh, that means do I want to use the memory? Oh, can I do stuff here? I'm going back. But at least it looks cute. I'll be right back. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back again. Okay, it's been a couple of days since I unboxed this toy because I just couldn't figure out how this worked. However, I finally figured out how it works. Okay, so let's click on here. So here you can see the menu. So let's try to explain everything that's on here. So the first one is, of course, to set the date. This is for having an alarm clock. Then here you can send messages to other people who have this Jewel Pet. Then here you can write stuff. Here you can receive messages. This one you can communicate with other people. This one is actually to see your stamp collection. These are the stamps that I have already collected. Oh, look at your little smiley. And the princess crown. And actually also I figured out that you need to swipe. Now we can see stuff. You can see this cute little bunny. And that was it. So flower, star. Oh, that was it for this series. Here you can see the other series. And look! These are all the pets that we collected. Aren't they adorable? Cute, right? More cute stuff! I like this one. It's so cute and adorable. And oh, that little bee is over there. As I said before, I thought this was a toy, and it is. So you can, of course, take pictures. Yeah. Also an important part, you need to put in an SD card. So check here, SD card. So I put an SD card in there so that you can take lots of pictures, because there is no really memory internally in here. Let's take a picture. So don't tap this if you want to take a picture. Tap the screen. And you hear that sound, that means that you've taken a picture and it's stored. And we're back in the main menu. So here this one you can select, and then select the picture from your SD card. You need to hold this one. Hold this one, and here you can select if you want this one or this one. See? And then if you agree, then you tap this one, and then see your picture is surrounded by cute stuff. And then you can select more stuff, like for example a crown. Let's put it there. Okay, beautiful, right? Okay, then we go back, and then do I want to save it? Yes, I want to save it. And then it's being saved to your SD card. Yay, it's saved. Then we go back to the main menu, and here you can view all your pictures. So this is your album, and here is our other picture. Swipe. And this is a really weird picture we just took. And swipe. And we're back with Jenna. So then let's go to the main menu. And then this is what I could not figure out. So here you don't see any games, but if you go, no! Swipe. Then here you can see all the games. Yay! Okay, so here you have shoot balloons. Here you have match 3, or at least match 3. Here you have find the same person, and here you have a witch on a broom. And then here you have a calculator, and I don't know what this is. And here you can switch icons. So for example, if you click this, then, okay, I'll show you. If you click this, then you can click one of these and move them around, but we don't want that. Okay, then let's show you the first game. So this is hit the balloons, or at least that's what I call it. Okay, so then you pull back and then you shoot. So each balloon or diamond represents a amount of money. Ooh, and this is the best one. Hold it, and then it's a power shot. And there's time actually. You can see here the time. And the next one we're gonna play is this one. So I'm gonna try to show you, but the light is very bright. Oh, okay, like this. Okay, sorry, I'm holding it at a weird angle. Ah, this is better. Okay, so then find this one, find this one, find this one, find this one. I'm not very good at it. As you can see, I'm getting confused. Ooh, I almost selected the wrong one. Okay, this one, and then she's reading a book, and it's a cute little sheep. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This one. Pay attention, pay attention. Oh, time's up. And here you can see, yay, she's cheering for me. This is the amount of coins I got, and with this amount of coins, we can buy stickers or get, you know, like new character images. But I've collected all of them already. Now then, let's try to show you another one. This is another cute one. Okay, then here you have to match them. So you have to match 3. You can do this, okay. Okay, look, bunny, and then 3 bunnies. And then I guess this. Nope. Oof. I was very good at this. Ah, here we go. And then let's see, can we see? Oh, sheep. But look, this one. 4. Haha. And then this one, and more. And the best thing is to have these circles, because they delete a whole lot and you get a lot of points for that. And then, oh, time's up. Okay, so this is by far not my best score. I had almost 900 a couple of times. That's why I actually collected almost all the characters. And then we have the final game, which is this game. And then with this game we have to hold it like this, because you're a witch. Okay, let's get started. Can you guys see it? Okay, with this I can control her. She goes up. Oh, okay, so, and she also has like, okay, you can get these special things where you can avoid all these dark things that you see. Let's see. No! Okay. Okay, go down. Yes. So it actually does different things. Sometimes it makes the black dudes disappear. Sometimes you can fly right, oh shoot, right through them, or sometimes you get more hearts, which I guess I'm gonna need. And then each level becomes more difficult. Let's see. Oh no, oh no, oh okay. So this one actually doesn't work on time, it works on levels. So let's turn it around. So not a bad score, but I can do better. So those were all the games that you can play on this device. You can actually do quite more. So you can also, look, this is where you can, all your points are accumulated and you can go for a gacha. So let's twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. It's quite difficult to twist it. Twist it. And then, ta-da, there comes your gacha. And it's a skateboard. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's do it one more time. And it costs you around 100 points. So you can see I've already played this a lot of time. Let's open it. And it's headphones! So there's so much that you can collect. It's really funny. I bought this for around 35, 38 euros. And I bought the SD card for around 8 euros. And you can play mini games, you can play, you know, with the gacha toy. And yeah, I really enjoy actually this game. Or this, what it's called, Jewel Pet, whatever. It was quite hard figuring out how to work with this because I can't read Japanese, so yeah, now you all know. But you know, if you are into these kind of, you know, like electronic toys, then definitely get them. You can buy them on Amazon. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more virtual pets, digital toys, let me know in the comments below, or like and subscribe. See you later. Bye!
Welcome to Buttons and Boxes. Welcome to